everyone! Welcome to my channel, Wealthy Online. Do you spend hours every week manually uploading videos to YouTube? Would you like to automate this process? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use different tools to fully automate your channel and generate thousands of dollars passively from YouTube. Make sure to watch until the end, because I am going to give you a secret tip at the end of the video to give you a head start to get more views and make money faster than everybody else. Although popular, the term YouTube automation is not well defined. So, you're not alone if you've run across contradictory facts. In this video, we'll go into greater detail about what YouTube automation is and how it may benefit your channel. Automation for YouTube simply refers to outsourcing portions of your video production workflow. The majority of the time, businesses or even individuals who provide this kind of service promote it as a passive income source. What it really implies is that they take over duties like research, creating scripts, recording voiceovers, and editing. It's a modern spin on an age-old concept. By giving these jobs to independent contractors or specialized businesses like video editing services, you can get the same result. Automation for YouTube also refers to specialized technologies made to facilitate workflows. These tools frequently come in the form of apps or browser extensions and are typically cloud-based. They can assist you with chores like making thumbnails, doing topic research, and scheduling videos. These tools can be really helpful, especially if you manage large amounts of video on your channel. I will now give a brief introduction to vidIQ and TubeBuddy, two of the most well-known YouTube automation applications. You may automate operations in analytic, SEO, and digital marketing with the aid of vidIQ. It can save you time by providing information on things like the performance of your channel, the most popular material in your niche, and competitor tactics. Additionally, it automatically offers keywords to include in the tags and descriptions of your videos. Similar tools include TubeBuddy, which allows you to monitor the performance of rival channels and ensures efficient channel operations. For instance, it can create GIFs, determine the ideal time to publish fresh content based on your target demographic, and instantly publish your content as native Facebook videos. So what it means is, generally you could be making money on YouTube without showing your face or even creating a single video yourself, which, let's face it, is a little bit of a great news and more of a distant fantasy if you don't know how to set this chain of money-making human and software machine properly, or even don't have the finances to set it up in the first place, as it may cost you a little amount of cash until it starts generating money on YouTube. A question now you might be asking is, how do I use YouTube automation tools to have a YouTube channel that at first I may run but eventually it can completely or almost completely run on itself? Meaning you can divide up every task and assign it to others so you can generate passive income continuously. Then these tools and tips that I am going to give you will help you to exactly do that. So, let's get into it. To clearly identify the right tools to use for automation, let's break down the video creation into different stages. First, before even making a video, you will need a YouTube channel with a specific niche. If you have already got one, then you can continue to the next step. However, if you don't have a specific niche in mind to start a channel with, here are the top 5 niches on YouTube that have the highest CPM. Number 1. Make money online niche. Number 2. Luxury niche. Number 3. Personal finance. Number 4. Health and fitness. Number 5. Travel. Pick one of the niches from above and you can create a channel about it. Secondly, to create a video, you will need a video idea. To get an idea, either you can search on Google, YouTube, or instead you can use a tool like vidIQ that can give you several YouTube ideas daily that you can possibly get better attraction from your audience. I will put its link down on the description below. Next, you need to write a video script about the video idea you chose. In order to do that, either you can get some ideas from different sources online and write it yourself, or you can get a script writer from Fiverr.com or Upwork.com for a cheaper price and they can write it for you. The other option is, you can use AI tools to generate a video script that you can use on your video. There are a lot of tools out there and one of the best is Writer.me. You can freely sign up on this website and get a complete video script with your video idea in a matter of minutes. I will put the link in the description down below. If you have this task completed, the next thing you need is a voiceover. You can use your phone's voice recorder or software like OBS Studio to record your voiceover, or even hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork.com to do it for you. Before we move on to the next step and see the other amazing tools and tips, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. The next important step is to edit your video. You have to combine your voiceover, some videos, and edit it professionally. For that, you can either hire another person, or if you are willing to do it, it is fairly simple. You can use tools like vidchops, which can help you edit your video with the highest quality and make it so much easier and time-saving. I will put the links down below in the description. And additionally, if you use my link, you will get 30 days free YouTube Helper to help you start up your YouTube automation journey. A little tip here is, if you are editing your videos, make sure you are in YouTube's Fair Use Guide to not get your channel deleted. Finally, if you have your video ready, there is one thing left, and that is a thumbnail. Thumbnails are very important to attract YouTube viewers, and you can make your thumbnails either using softwares like Canva.com, or you can hire someone from Fiverr for cheap to make it for you. Well, if you have followed the steps I have given you, then you have yourself a quality video ready to be uploaded on YouTube. So hats off to you. If you did this consistently and with intent, you will be starting to make money on YouTube in a couple of weeks or months. And later on you can outsource all this hustle and have a YouTube automation channel that can pretty much run by itself, generating you a lot of money. Before we finish the video, I have promised to give you additional tips, and I am going to keep my word. When you are editing your video, in order to get commercially free videos and pictures, you can use websites like Pixabay.com and Unsplash.com. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about making money online and much more. Check out this video about affiliate marketing if you want to learn more about it and make more money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.